Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman has announced in budget speech that India will build a digital public infrastructure for the agriculture sector, and that will support the agri-tech industry as well as new startups. Hello and good morning everyone. Today my lecture topic is digital public infrastructure. Friends, DPI refers to a platform such as identification, payment and data exchange, and these all are very important for any country to provide the essential service to their citizen. And DPI includes the digital form of ID and verification, civil registration, payment service through online, as well as the information system. Friends, if we talk about the importance of DPI for India, then first is according to a report that tells that India have provided the essential service to the citizen in last 10 years. It all have only possible by because of DPI. Otherwise, it would take more than 50 years. Second, according to a economy digital report that tells that DPI has added more than 5% of the GDP of India. Friends, now if I talk about the application of DPI, then first is Jam Trinity, that we all know that it connect the Aadhaar, mobile and bank account. Second is DigiLocker. It help to store the digital document and management. Third is Bharat Bill Pay. It is the one solution for all the transactions online. And some other application we heard, the UPI, Unified Payment Interface, as well as the COVID application that have helped much in the COVID time. Friends, if I talk about what are the factors that help India in a huge success in the sector of DPI, then first is Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana. It was started in 2015, and that time only 15% of women have their bank account, and today this number is more than 80%. Friends, second is e-commerce. We all know the Google Pay, Phone Pay, Amazon Pay, where only on one tap we can have the transaction. As well as today we are using the online shopping, and we love to do online shopping every time. Friends, if I talk about some little bit challenges for the DPI in India, then first is the internet connection in the remote areas, and also the limited user of the mobile phone, that is 60% in the remote areas. Second is the growth of DPI in the agriculture sector, as well as industry and logistic part. Friends, in my conclusion, as today we can see the complete world have seen the growth of DPI of India in the last 8 to 10 years, and the world has also appreciated the UPI system of India, and many countries are adopting the UPI system of India. And in the time of G20 presidency of this year, India can also transform the world technology related to DPI and provide this kind of technology to the other countries which actually need the DPI service to provide the essential services to their people. And India can be a leader in this sector. Thank you.